Hello students, as we all know, JEE Advanced date has been finalized. I hope you all are preparing very well for your advanced exam. But to know what is the recent trend, किस topic से कितने questions पूछे गए हैं, definitely that will give an edge in your preparation. So let's just start it. Paper analysis of mathematics. सो इस डिस्कशन को मैंने दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है। बेसिकली वो टॉपिक जो हम ग्रेड 11 में डिस्कस करते हैं एंड देन टॉपिक्स विच वी स्टडी इन ग्रेड 12। these are the topic algebra 1, algebra 2, trigonometric and coordinate geometry is what we go through in grade 11। so start करते हैं। algebra 1 का weightage usually they ask around 8% for from algebra 1। algebra 1 it consists of these three topics: fundamental of math, which is everywhere, so you don't have to look after this fundamental of math specifically। but algebra 1 में जो टॉपिक आपको अच्छे से देखनी चाहिए, it is a quadratic equation and sequence series। usually they ask a question 3 to 4 questions from algebra 1। in 2020 they have asked only 2 questions। सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की अगर बात करें तो दोनों ही टॉपिक में से एक से दो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में। नाउ let us move to next title. It is algebra 2। algebra 2 it contain of three topics: PNC, probability, which are really important wherever binomial theorem is more about your formula and more about your practice। so I would advise you to go through all the concepts of probability and do solve out some very challenging question from PNC and probability। बात करें इसके वेटेज की, सो एल्जेब्रा 2 में दे यूजुअली आस्क अराउंड रफली 11% फॉर एल्जेब्रा 2 एंड दिस इज द रिसेंट ट्रेंड फ्रॉम दैट एरिया। 2017 to 2020 they usually ask question 4 to 5 question एंड टू क्वेश्चन लगभग दो क्वेश्चन प्रोबेबिलिटी से और दो से तीन क्वेश्चन पीएनसी से। binomial theorem is like they have asked a question in 2016 and later on a question appeared in 2020। so I would suggest you should go through PNC as well as probability if algebra 2 is concerned। now the next one is trigonometry। we have three special topic in trigonometry: phase 1 as well as phase 2। ITF is what we study in grade 12। we have SOT, ITF, trigonometric ratio और trigonometric equation को हम लोग एक ही कंसिडर करेंगे। बात करें इसके वेटेज की, देन trigonometric के लिए we have assigned only 9%। but among this 9% they usually ask a question from SOT, a question from ITF and usually one or two question from trigonometric ratio and trigonometric equation। so I would say do not just completely left your solution of triangle. At least you should practice basic formula and a bunch of questions from solution of triangle। You should not dwell in deep because जो रेगुलर और काफी बेसिक्स फॉर्मूले जो होते हैं, एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी गुड विद दैट। सो दिस इज अबाउट योर trigonometry। now let us move to fourth and very crucial part of your grade 11, coordinate geometry। यूजुअली ज्योमेट्री से जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाते हैं या तो वो डायरेक्ट होता है या फिर इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट टू सॉल्व ए क्वेश्चन। so coordinate geometry it consists of these three parts: we have straight line, circle and conic section। they don't ask a question directly from straight line, so that will make your circle is the most eligible in this section। conic section की बात करें, so there are three: we have parabola, we have ellipse and we have hyperbola। so hardly they ask a question from your conic section, but in circle it is from around three questions। and as I told you earlier, so straight line they hardly they ask a question directly from straight line। so please be good with your circles। अगर बात करें number of questions की coordinate geometry में, then usually they ask 5 to 6 questions in coordinate geometry। और वेटेज की बात करें, देन इट कंट्रीब्यूट अराउंड 40%, 14% इन JEE पेपर 1 एज वेल एज इन पेपर 2। so that was all about the syllabus which was from your grade 11। there's another one grade 12 and these are the titles which I'm going to tell you about. We have differential calculus, integral calculus, matrix determinant ko, rather than saying algebra 3, let it be matrix determinant, and two very essential part of for your JEE advanced, it is vector 3D and we have complex number. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हम लोग डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस की. सो डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस कंट्रीब्यूट करता है अराउंड 15%. 15%. And what are the topics under this title? We have function, we have AOD, application of derivatives, and we have LCD, limit continuity and derivability. अगर बात करें क्वेश्चंस के रेशियोज की, then usually they ask to 1 to 2 question from function, 2 to 3 question from application of derivative, and a question from LCD. There are chances कि वो पेपर में सीधे क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछते हैं AOD या फंक्शन से, so mixed type of question are usually asked. So that is the reason it contribute around 15%. बात करें पिछले कुछ साल में पूछे हुए क्वेश्चंस की, so in 2070 they ask around 7 question, but roughly if I tell you, then it would be around 4 to 5 question from you should expect from differential calculus. And what should be the topics where you should pay more attention? It will be your application of derivatives and then continuity and differentiability. Now let us move to next part. It is integral calculus. अगर बात करें इसके वेटेज की, then it contribute around 18%, one of the most important chapter for your IIT advanced. कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे? वी हैव डेफिनेट एंड इंडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन, देन एरिया अंडर द कर्व, एंड लेटर ऑन वी हैव डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. Usually they don't ask or rarely ask question directly from your indefinite integration, but doesn't mean you should avoid reading indefinite integration, because if you are good with indefinite integration, mainly you will be able to solve question from definite integration along with some of its properties. And if we talk about the number of questions which has been asked in recent year, then usually they ask 6 to 7 questions from integral calculus. In 2018 they have asked around 8 questions, around 8 questions from integral calculus. And if I suggest you which part they should pay attention in detail, then it would be definite integration as well as your differential equation. This is the must for your IIT advanced preparation. Now let us move to matrix and determinant. It consists around 10%. Weightage of this title is around 10%. Question की बात करें, then usually matrix and determinant से you may expect 3 to 4 questions where you should pay a majority attention toward your matrix, because if you feel that much comfortable in determinant, I think matrix is somewhere where you should pay your time. Now the last one, the second last one in this section is vector and 3D. One of the second most important topic, अगर in integral calculus को छोड़ दिया जाए, then that would be the second favorite topic of JEE advanced. बात करें number of questions की, then usually they ask for around 4 questions. और वेटेज की अगर हम लोग बात करें, then only these two chapter contribute 10% in total weightage. ठीक है, और अगर 2020 में number of questions की बात करें, then they have asked around 4 questions. So I think after your integral calculus, vector and 3D will be that part where you should really much pay attention. Or now the last one, it would be your complex number. कहने में it's a complex number only, but actually every concept will be used in complex number. It's not like that question specifically from a concept of a complex number will be asked. There will be concept from calculus. You may expect algebra in complex number as well as coordinate geometry is there. बात करें इसके परसेंटेज की, वेटेज की, then it contribute around 5% in total weightage. And if we talk or have a look on the number of questions that they have asked in recent year, then you may expect 2 questions from the paper. So that is for the day. I hope this chart will help you out in your preparation, or will give you a direction that in what direction or for what topic you should prepare in detail. Thank you very much.